I was trying to raise money for my companies, I struggled to find venture capital investors in Europe who have entrepreneurial background. You do have a few in Silicon Valley, where the founders of successful companies have become investors, but in Europe we really do not have that. And that was something I thought was missing. I would rather take financing from a successful entrepreneur who then also could, give me some more advice and could understand my situation a bit better. So that was really the embryo to why Atomico was started. The other thing is that I believe that the technology market is changing quite a lot in terms of it becoming much more of an international, global market, while most investors are looking pretty much locally. So the thing that we are doing quite differently compared to most others is that we are investing geographically very, very broadly. We are investing all over Europe, we're investing in Latin America, in the US of course, and also to some extent in Asia. And by doing that we can compare companies and benchmark and understand if what the product and business that they're proposing, if that's something that can work in several markets. But what we can also do that is also to help companies to grow, because if you are a company, a startup company, and the product is actually working, and you have a great user uptake, and typically what the team is doing is very much focusing on improving the product and evolving the product. It's very hard for that startup company, with very few resources, to understand the differences in markets all around the world. So what we try to do through our office in Beijing and Sao Paulo, and our connectivity we have in the US, is to help our companies to grow into other markets. Because it's quite daunting to understand, okay, how to get into China, what about Japan? So that's what we know these markets, we've done business in these countries for many years, and have good network there. So that's what we try to add value to the companies. And I think that's maybe the one thing that is a bit differentiated compared to most other VCs who are very kind of local in their investment scope.